Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view whom we follow on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to view who we follow on Facebook, not our followers but the guys or persons we are following. So we are going to see that. To do that, at the top right corner of Facebook you can see the three-lined icons with our small profile picture icon. Just below the messenger icon, tap on that. And again over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the gear or the settings icon. Tap on there and scroll down. Over here under the category of your activity you can see the activity log. Tap on there, and over here guys you can see the connections option available for us just below the personal information. Tap on connections, and over here you can see the followers option available first, where it says people you follow and people who follow you. Tap on manage followers, and you can see guys, you can see all of the followers whom we follow or you follow from your account will be available on this list. And that being said guys, this is how to view whom we follow on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.